Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're ditching the store-bought products and diving into the world of natural skincare. We'll be making the top 5 dye remedies for radiant skin, all using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. So grab your aprons and let's get glowing. 1. Honey and Lemon Cleanser. This gentle cleanser is perfect for all skin types, thanks to the antibacterial properties of honey and the brightening power of lemon. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice diluted if you have sensitive skin. Instructions: mix the honey and lemon juice in a small bowl. Massage the mixture onto your damp face for a minute. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Bonus tip: this cleanser can also be used as a spot treatment for blemishes. 2. Avocado and Oatmeal Mask. This creamy mask is a powerhouse of hydration and exfoliation. Avocado nourishes the skin, while oatmeal gently buffs away dead cells. Ingredients: 1/2 avocado, 1/4 cup oatmeal. Instructions: mash the avocado until smooth. Stir in the oatmeal. Apply the mask to your face and neck, avoiding the eyes. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Bonus tip: add a teaspoon of honey for extra moisture. 3. Apple cider vinegar toner. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent that helps balance the skin's pH and reduce the appearance of pores. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup water filtered or distilled. Instructions: dilute the apple cider vinegar with water. Soak a cotton pad in the mixture and gently swipe it over your face. Follow up with a moisturizer. Bonus tip: don't use this toner if you have sensitive skin. 4. Green tea ice cubes. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. These ice cubes are a refreshing way to wake up your skin and shrink pores. Ingredients: 1 cup brewed green tea. Instructions: pour the green tea into an ice cube tray and freeze. Once frozen, rub an ice cube over your face in circular motions. Pat dry and apply a moisturizer. Bonus tip: you can also add a few drops of lemon juice to the green tea for extra brightening power. 5. Dye Coconut Oil Lip Balm. This easy-to-make lip balm will keep your lips soft and hydrated all winter long. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon beeswax, 2 drops of your favorite essential oil optional. Instructions: melt the coconut oil and beeswax in a double boiler. Remove from heat and stir in the essential oil if using. Pour the mixture into a small container and let it cool. Bonus tip: store your lip balm in a cool, dark place. That's it for our top 5 DIY natural skin remedies. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so be sure to use these remedies regularly for the best results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more DIY beauty tips and tricks. And if you have any favorite natural skin remedies, share them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Outro music.